Hi guys! Knowing that a printer is something not everyone has access to, I'm going to give you a step-by-step tutorial on how to draw and cut a pattern template for your mask. There are a few things you're going to need. A tailor's curve, flexi ruler, card with a straight edge or a circular object like a plate or lid. A pen or pencil. I use a thick felt for the purposes of this video. Graph or plain paper. Graph paper makes measuring much easier. And a straight ruler. So here I'm using just a bit of card from a cereal box. It's better to use card like a cereal box, or if you've got craft card, that's ideal. Don't use cardboard because it's a bit too thick and corrugated and it's going to be difficult to work with. So here I am just deciding. I can't quite decide what to use over a plate or a saucepan lid or a bit of card, but just fish around your house for anything that's circular. You might have to trial a few objects here and there. The plate wasn't quite right for the curve I was trying to draw, so it's a little bit of hunting around, a bit of trial and error. But whatever you do, just draw in your curved line with a pencil first. Just lightly go over the line, press a bit harder each time to perfect that curve. So this next bit is a bit fiddly, so just persevere with it. Just keep tracing your line, or drawing your line lightly and pressing harder each time as you go till you know that you've got a really nice curve. Use the points, the little markers that we put on the paper, as a guideline.